The West Indies have continued their winning streak against Afghanistan with a 30-run victory in their first T20 international in Lucknow, India today. Jordan Fort has the review.
Kieron Pollard immediately repaid the faith in Cricket West Indies' decision to appoint him white ball captain, leading the Caribbean side to a 3-0 series sweep in their one-day international series which ended on Monday. And the big Trinidadian was in no mood to let up with the beginning of the T20 series, as he turned in a man-of-the-match performance to guide the regional team to a fourth straight win on Thursday. The West Indies were inserted by the Afghans, who won the toss, but Jamaican Brandon King, who had been handed his first T20 cap, didn't hang around for long, as he was dismissed for just 4. But Evan Lewis was in his usual belligerent mood, as he was joined by Shimron Hetmyer, and the two put on 87 runs for the second wicket. Lewis punished all the Afghanistan bowlers, hitting 4 fours and smashing 6 sixes in his 68 of 41 deliveries. He lost Hetmyer for a run ball 21 before he himself fell to leave the score at 100 for 3. Wicketkeeper batsman Dinesh Ramlin played a 19-ball cameo, making 20, but Captain Pollard steered the team to a solid total. The hard-hitting batsman struck 2 fours and a 6, making 32 of 22 deliveries, as the Windies made 164 for 5. The West Indies bowlers got off to a good start, removing Ramanullah Gurbaz and Ibrahim Zadran with a score on just 7. The Afghans made a brief recovery before opener Hazratullah Zazai went for 23 with a score on 55. Ashkar Afghan was the next to go for 25 with a score on 69 for 4. And from there, the Afghans failed to build any other solid partnerships. 27 from Najibullah Zadran and 24 not out from Farid Ahmad were the only other scores of note, as Kesrick Williams took 3 for 17, Pollard 2 for 17, and Hayden Walsh Jr. 2 for 34. The second T20 will be played on Saturday at the same venue starting at 8:30 a.m. Jamaica time. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.